Hello over there at Optima Landscape Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online if you're at all interested. In this video, I'll show you what you have going on behind the scenes of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I want to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. This is a very good website. The navigation, the linking here. Yeah, everything's good. It's very professional, so I really don't have anything negative to tell you. Although I don't see any interlinking within pages, and that's a good setup for, inside Google's eyes. The first thing I want to go over is your content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer. But in the same time, it'll create a boost at a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. And that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing is spamming or spam. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but if they're scattered without any protocol, they're just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is what you have going on behind the scenes. This is a paid tool. You could go to ahrefs.com, punch in your URL here, and it'll show you what you have. Organic traffic, unfortunately, 0. It looks like you're not getting any customers in the door or getting any clicks through Google. Organic keywords, this is very important. You want to get those high volume keywords, high volume searches through SEO. Referring domains is 24, backlinks 88. Let's start with backlinks here. This is the second thing I want to make you aware of. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. So you want to be careful on that. You do have 88 here. The backlink meter would be the UR level here, which you're at 9 at this point. Pretty much at this quantity, you're not getting a good boost. So just be careful. You want to get those good quality backlinks and not just any. The third thing I want to talk to you about is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is. Citations should be the DR meter here. You have no power going on through the DR meter. So 24, 88, this is very important, and you want to keep this at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice inside of Google's eyes. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads. Who wants that, right? This is one of your competitors here, Capital Landscape. They have also a good website. They do have a little bit more content, I believe, when comparing it to your website. However, this is what they have going in the behind their website. So organic traffic, looks like they're getting 928 people jumping into their website in a monthly basis. Organic keywords, again with the keywords, this is very important, over 1,000. Referring domains, over 1,000. Backlinks at over 3,000. The UR meter 29, which again is the backlink section, meter 29, and the DR meter of 11. So this is not daunting. This is beatable. Don't be afraid to go up against these guys. The DR meter here, they have to work on. And again, if they don't have that 1-to-1 ratio, it doesn't really give them that good boost inside of Google. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.